How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to get six-pack abs. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So when trying to get six-pack abs, I talk about a lot of different things because there are a lot of different components that make up how to actually get six-pack abs. A lot of components. So one of those components, one of these tips that I will give you is actually exercise selection. Now, it doesn't matter what exercise you do. What you want to do when you're first starting off is you want to start off with the exercises that are very, very easy. So simple ab exercises is the ab crunch. Literally, where you put your hands on your chest, you just start doing crunches. That is by far the most basic, the most simple exercise. If you're trying to get six-pack abs, highly recommend you start with that exercise. Now, what I would do is I would start doing, say, 10 to 20 reps. So say start off with 20 reps, do 3 sets. Every single time you're working out, try to increase the number of reps you're doing, say to 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Once you can get up to about 40 reps, you're gonna pick a different exercise. Because when you're training with body weight movements, the only way to progressively overload is to increase resistance, and you can increase resistance without weights by actually making the exercise harder. So a simple exercise that you can do, instead of doing the ab crunch, a harder variation would be a reverse crunch. That's basically where you have your knees in the air, they're kind of bent, and then you just literally do a reverse crunch. Literally just how it says. Most of you should know what a reverse crunch is. And you would do the exact same layout, 20 reps, 3 sets, and then try to get 40 reps. The minute you get that, you would move into a harder variation. That harder variation, in my opinion, should be flutter kicks. Very, very, very good. Do the exact same thing. And then flutter kicks, you might have to increase the number of reps because doing 20 flutter kicks is actually pretty easy. So with that exercise, you might do 60 and then work your way up to 100 repetitions or something like that. And then a harder ab crunch exercise would be leg swings. In my opinion, leg swings are pretty advanced. They're pretty tough because they take a lot of core stabilization, and it's actually pretty difficult to do 20 leg swings on each side, not just one leg swing, but doing one clockwise and one counterclockwise. That's pretty difficult to do. So if you're looking to get six-pack abs, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys do different exercise. Don't sit there and just do 20 ab crunches. That's not good. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999.